Alright. So I'm making a project. So this is the track. And then I'm just gonna attach to this one. This one. Let's put it out. And we're just gonna roll it here. Hold on, that's not really good roll. You just dump it all out. Perfecto. And now we get a little more. And then we roll it. Actually, a little more. And roll it. Sorry, that was just this falling. Okay. So here is the other Play-Doh. Blue, dark blue. Sorry if you hear a little noise. That's my little sister there. She's a demon child.
She wants to get down now.
Yes.
Oh my God. Oh, now she's gonna get mad because I'm holding her, and she won't let as long as she wants to go.
And now, time for the next one.
Come on.
Oh.
What? What do you want? What? What?
There.
What?
And now we're gonna add this on the side. For now, dark pink next. Or we're what?
Dark pink.
Dark pink.
Oh.
This might look like red to you, but I promise, pinky promise is not.
Okay.
So, just gonna roll this up. And put it right here. It's okay if it's not the right size. I have to do like kind of big. There. Sorry, I have to get up for a minute. Just close this up. And the last one, Just open this right up.
I'm tired, Sadie. Little Skylar's tired.
My grandpa messes up with my name and Skylar's name.
Little Skylar's tired.
Shh, Grandpa.
What?
Shh, be quiet.
Okay.
So, we can just do that. And then we cut it with this knife. Don't worry, it's a toy knife. So, cut this up. You gotta like kind of hold it here. So, there's the cuts I would make good lately. So here we go. So far, so good.
I know. This is torture for little Skylar here. Sadie, we gotta stop for a second.
All right.
Let me stop 1 second.
Okay. All right. So I'm cutting this again. This is just a toy knife, so don't worry. And now it's time for this green slide to go on the table.
Lovely.
done.
Try to make sure it only goes on the table.
Alright.
Not on the floor.
Wow. That thing is gorgeous.
Hey, now I picked up something there. Yay.
Yeah, just a little bit is okay.
Okay.
Oh, put it back. Oh.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to do that marble thing?
Yeah.
That's not going to work, you know that. You got to make it bigger track. The marble's not going to go on that. Do you have a marble?
Do you have marbles?
No.
Remember the gold one I found?
Yeah, I don't know where you put it. I have no idea.
So if you ever play with slime before, this is slime.
Well, we should go look for a marble or something.
Yes, hold on. We're gonna go look for something.
Try to keep it in the middle. Now you're gonna go back and forth a lot, so it makes it nice and smooth. Because if there's lumps, it's not gonna roll in that. Oh boy.
Can you do the rolling actually?
Okay.
And I can film?
Okay, well let me just do it and then I will film after I do it. Okay?
No, I want to film.
No, it's okay.
I'm not ready.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Wait, hold on. After much fixing and stuff, I think we got it where it goes to the swamp. Go ahead, try.
Yes.
Yay! Sort of.
Fun.
It kind
Yes,
of
sir.
sort of made it.
Yeah, let's do it one more time.
Yeah, oh, great. Yay. Hold on to the marble, please. Okay, try it again.
Yes.
Oh, that time it didn't even go to the swamp.
Oh.
Try it again.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, again.
Fixing. Oh.
Okay, I give up. This is crazy.
Oh.
It went into the swamp. Sure it did. See? It's buried there. You can't even see it anymore because it's so deep in the swamp. Ay, ay, ay. It's right there, Sadie. Right there. Look it. Right there.
Oh.
There you go. Okay, come on. Please hurry. Come on. Okay, try it again. Pick up the edge of the book a little bit, like hold it up. Yeah.
Like that?
Yep, try that. Let's see. Nope, okay. Try it one more time. Let's see.
Yes.
Oh, there you go. It's pointing to the swamp. Good enough. It's in the swamp. Yay.
Woo.
Success. And it's on the floor. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay. I do not like you, Marble. I don't like you at all. No. Try it. Let me try it. Let's see. Oh, I didn't do any better. There. Look at that. It went in the swamp. Oh my god. Yay. Hooray. We did it. There. Go ahead. Let her rip. Go.
It's a little ripped.
It's okay. Let it go. Yay. I think that worked the best so far. Oh, there goes the cuckoo clock. It's 9 o'clock. Oh,
Grandpa?
10 o'clock. It's actually 10 o'clock. That thing is messed up.
Grandpa,
What?
look, it went like this.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, into the swamp. Okay, do it again. Oh my. You just love that, right? You think it's hilarious. Oh, well. Okay, this is the end of the Play-Doh swamp slide. Goodbye.
No.
Goodbye.
No.
Bye. Yes, goodbye.
No.
Goodbye.
No. One more
Oh.
time.
Oh my God. It's just gonna go on the floor again. Alright, go. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's good. Yay, it was working. Okay, now it's working nice. It doesn't get enough oomph to get past the slime part. Yeah. Oh, it's working well though. Look, it keeps going. It's not going on the floor anymore. I don't know what happened. Yeah. Okay, now we can say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Hasta la bye-byes.
Bye.